We often look at the stars as distant, burning balls of gas, cold, scientific, dead. But for thousands of years, the sky was not a science lab. It was a library. It was a map, a calendar, and a storybook. Ancient civilizations didn't just watch the stars, they lived by them. They saw their gods, their monsters, and their deepest fears projected onto the canvas of the night. Tonight, we aren't just looking up, we are reading the lost chapters of human history written in light. Let's start with the most famous shape in the northern sky, the Big Dipper, part of the constellation Ursa Major, the Great Bear. In Greek mythology, this bear was once a beautiful woman named Callisto. Cursed by a jealous goddess, she was transformed into a beast and cast into the sky, doomed to circle the North Pole forever, never allowed to rest below the horizon. But this constellation holds a deeper, more human history. In the 19th century, enslaved people in America used the drinking gourd, their name for the Big Dipper, as a map. They knew that its two outer stars pointed directly to the North Star, the Star of Freedom. For them, this myth wasn't a story, it was a matter of life and death. Look to the opposite side of the North Star, and you will see a distinct W shape. This is Cassiopeia, the queen. Legend says she was a queen so vain, she boasted that she was more beautiful than the sea nymphs. Poseidon, the god of the sea, was furious. As punishment, he placed her in the sky, seated on her throne. But it was a cruel punishment. For half the night, as the sky rotates, Cassiopeia hangs upside down, clinging to her throne to avoid falling into the dark abyss below. An eternal lesson in humility. But no constellation is as majestic or as mysterious as Orion, the hunter. While the Greeks saw a giant warrior, the ancient Egyptians saw Osiris, the god of the dead and rebirth. There is a theory that challenges everything we know about history. Look at the three stars of Orion's belt: Alnitak, Alnilam, and Mintaka. Now look at the three great pyramids of Giza. They are not in a perfect straight line. The smallest pyramid is slightly offset, exactly matching the smallest star in the belt. Were the pyramids built as a terrestrial map of Orion to help the pharaoh's soul travel to the stars? The coincidence is chilling. Follow the line of Orion's belt down, and you will find Sirius, the brightest star in the night sky. Known as the dog star, it is the loyal companion to the hunter. Have you ever heard the phrase, the dog days of summer? That isn't about pets, it's astronomy. To the ancients, when Sirius rose just before the sun in late July, they believed its heat combined with the sun's heat to create the hottest days of the year. They blamed this star for fever, madness, and bad luck. Even today, we use the phrase, forgetting that we are referencing a celestial event thousands of years old. High above, we find the Pleiades, the Seven Sisters, a cosmic jewel box. Almost every culture on Earth has a myth about seven girls, yet most people can only see 6 stars with the naked eye. Why? Astronomers have discovered that one of the stars, Pleione, is close to another star, making them look like one. But here's the fascinating part. In ancient times, this cluster was used as an eye test. If a warrior or a scout could distinguish the 7th star in the darkness, they were considered to have perfect vision. It was a biological test written in the cosmos. Finally, we look at the Milky Way itself. While we see a river of light, the Maya civilization in Central America looked at the darkness. They focused on the dark rift, the black patches of dust blocking the starlight. To them, this wasn't empty space. It was Xibalba, the road to the underworld. They believed the Milky Way was a giant tree, and this dark rift was the mouth of a cosmic cave where souls journeyed after death. It changes how you see the galaxy, not just as a home for the living, but as a passage for the dead. The stars haven't changed in thousands of years. The light hitting your eyes tonight is the same light that hit the eyes of the pharaohs, the Greek poets, and the navigators of the ancient world. The myths may not be scientifically true, but they are humanly true. They remind us that we have always been explorers, trying to find meaning in the vast, silent dark. So tonight, go outside and look up. Don't just see the stars, read the story. If you enjoyed this journey through the legends of the cosmos, subscribe to In the Moon. Turn on notifications and tell me in the comments, which constellation do you look for first? Keep looking up. Thank you for joining me on this journey through the legends of the cosmos. If these stories change the way you see the night sky, please hit the like button. It helps us share these mysteries with the world. Don't forget to subscribe to In the Moon and turn on the notification bell so you never miss a chapter of our universe's history. Which myth fascinated you the most? Was it the pyramids of Orion or the lost sister of the Pleiades? Let me know in the comments below. Until next time, keep looking up and I'll see you in the moon.